Welcome to the new iOS 11 App Store. So as you can see in the App Store, they've got the categories on the bottom: Today, Games, Apps, and Updates. When you go to the Today screen, they've got a list of different articles about new apps and TV episodes. And it's customized for you every day. And then in the Games screen, they have the games charts, which are right there. They've got new AR games. They've got all the new games. And then there's the top paid and the top free. And there's categories. And these used to be up front and center, and now they're kind of buried into the games menu. The apps menu has a lot of the other apps that you would use for everything else that's not a game. So they've got the CBS Live TV app, they've got the Starguide AR app, they've got the WWF app, and then they've also got the charts here with the top paid and top free, and then the different categories. And then this is the updates screen. So this is the screen that shows you all your updates, and you can press update all at the top, and you can click on any of the updates that have a more by it, and then you can see all the extra information about that update. And then you can still search in the regular way, and you can be like Apple, and it brings up the search results for Apple. But now you get this special privilege of having an advertisement at the top of every single search. I have searched on this a lot of times already, and every single time I search on it, there is an ad at the top every time. And then you've got all the other apps underneath, and then if any of them have a video, just like the iMovie one, it starts playing against your will. That's always fun. If you want to use up data, that is the way to do it. And then you can also tap on iMovie, and then it also plays a bigger version of the video against your will. And you don't have a choice to play it or not. And then when you tap on the video, it doesn't play with sound automatically. You have to actually enable that with the button on the top right. Then it plays sound, which is super annoying because you just tapped on it. Why would you not want sound on something you just tapped on? And that is the new iOS App Store. I much preferred the iOS App Store in iOS 10. It had the charts front and center. I use those all the time. They're a really good way to find new apps and find all the top free get apps. And now it's all buried into this other menus, and I just don't like it. But that's how it is now, and they've all got these goofy titles at the top. Not impressed. But that is the iOS 11 App Store, and that's the App Store we have now. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. And this is A562178.